Okay, YouTube family, let's get into this. We got the floating gift bags with the Christmas balls falling out. Now, let's get into it. This is my first time doing it. Of course, you can improve on it, but let me get you with the basics of how I did this. Stay tuned.
Hey y'all, hey YouTube channel and my Facebook group CCBAB.
Okay, supplies. You got your Christmas balls. Then you have to have your plate or something to put it on. I used the party plate, the plastic one. You're going to have your clear ladle. Then you're going to have your glue gun. You're going to need your bag, whatever bag you're going to use. And I also used the epoxy, the Jenga blocks, and the popsicle sticks. Okay, I'm using the super glue epoxy mix from Dollar Tree. So I mixed it up on the back of the pack. I mixed too much. I didn't know it's going to be that much. And I put it on the bottom of the ladle and propped the ladle up. So I just used whatever I had. So I used the alcohol bottle and a bottle of vitamins. So we're going to let this sit. It's supposed to sit for 5 minutes and then you're supposed to be able to work with it. So we'll see what's going on. Okay, so the ladle is dry. The ladle is dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bag and I'm going to attach it. But I want to make sure it don't close while it's up there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these popsicle sticks and I'm going to glue them inside of the side so it won't fold. Because that's where it folds at. So I figure if I put something up in there. Put the popsicle stick in there, it won't fold up. So I'm just gonna glue them in there. And these are the perfect size for this bag. Just take the fold and put them up in there, and I'm gonna put some glue up in there so it won't come out. But I just want to make sure. Okay. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to attach the bag. So give me a second. Okay, so let me move this out the way so you can see. So I'm gonna take some popsicle sticks and I'm gonna put them down here so I can make sure that it doesn't fold. Since the popsicle sticks are the perfect size, I'm put a couple of down the side so it won't fold. So I'm just gonna take some hot glue. And I'm gonna put some down the side so it won't fold on itself.
You want something special. Trying to create something nice. Just pick up a pencil and take my advice.
Okay, so I'm trying to figure out how to attach this. So what I did was I put a Jenga block on the end of the ladle, and then I have a Jenga block. Let me see. I have a Jenga block glued onto one of the popsicle sticks on the inside of the bag. So I'm gonna attempt to attach these to each other. And I think it's gonna work sort of like that. Let's see. So that's how I'm gonna do it. That's the block. The later with the Jenga block is a Jenga block on the popsicle stick, and I'm gonna glue them together like that. Okay, so that idea didn't work out that good. So what I did is I went and I put another popsicle stick at the top right below where the flap end, and I added a Jenga block to that. So I was able to glue the Jenga block at the tip to the other Jenga block like I originally started. Then I add another one at the top and glued that Jenga block to the popsicle stick and to the ladle. So it made it more sturdier. Once I finished that, I just started gluing in the Christmas balls. I started with the bigger ones and then I just filled in spaces with the smaller ones. All I have right now were Christmas balls, but you definitely can add whatever it is that you need to add to it. I'm going to go and probably add some little gift boxes. I didn't have any, so I used what I have. And this is the finished product. Okay, here is the semi-finished product. Semi-finished because I want to put some little snowflakes or something on there. And I'm going to the Dollar Tree. And don't worry about that. That's going to be turned toward the pack. But I think it's pretty good for my first time. Look at that. All right now. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this short tutorial on the floating gift bag. It was fun. Can't wait till the next craft. See you later.